Newest addition to our automatic saw line. We have the GAA 590 automatic NF saw. Cuts straight 90-degree cuts, able to cut larger extrusions. This happens to be a 5x4 profile that we're going to cut for you today. Some of the quick features we'll show you. The saw length adjustment. It has a dial. I could crank this into any different length. Hit your dial. We'll set this length setting at 3.625. We're going around to the other end of the saw. We've got a blow gun on it to keep the chips. You also have that with aluminum. Length setting of your head stop. We don't want to cut air, so we can set our top height adjustment real quick and easy. Has a powered hood, so we're going to set it up to cut 4 pieces for you. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Put the hood down. Do a trim cut to start with. You can see the saw has double clamps on both sides of the blade, two horizontal, 2 vertical clamps. Also horizontal and vertical clamp on the indexing feet. Here's our trim cut for the finished part. Test cutting we did here, we're cutting this part within plus or minus 4 thousandths. It's all finished. It's desired to cut our 4 parts. Go ahead and flip the head up.